In today's video, I am going to teach you how to archive a product in Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Product Catalog. This will take you to the section where all of your products are managed. After the Product Catalog page opens, go to the All Products tab. This is where you can view every product that has been created in your Stripe account. Take a moment to locate the product that you want to archive. When you find it, click on that product to open its details page. On the product details page, review the information carefully. This is an important step because it helps you confirm that you have selected the correct product before making any changes. Check the product name and any other visible details so you are sure you are working with the right item. Once you have confirmed the product, move to the More Actions menu. This is usually shown as a three-dot icon. Click that menu to open the available options for the product. In the list of actions, select Archive Product. After you choose Archive Product, Stripe will display a confirmation message. Read the message to make sure you understand the change you are about to make. If everything looks correct, click Archive to confirm your choice. Stripe will then begin updating the product status. Give it a moment to process the request. After the update is complete, check the product status to make sure the archive action was successful. To verify that everything worked properly, confirm that the product is now marked as archived. You should also see that it no longer appears in the active product list. This lets you know the product has been removed from your active catalog without being permanently deleted. Archiving is a useful way to clean up your product list while keeping older products on record inside Stripe. As long as the product now shows the correct archive status, the process is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.